Namaste and welcome to your meditative moments of the week. We're exploring how to live a fearless life, how to roll the dice and say yes to the unknown and whatever may unfold without going borderline neurotic and crazy over all of the things we fear might happen. With that, I invite you to please sit up nice and tall and close your eyes. And just start to take a couple deep breaths. And always, as always, adjust yourself in any way. And just notice how even here you can lean a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, and you don't fear falling. That it's automatic, your action to keep your balance, to keep your center. This is really pointing us in the direction of living a fearless life. So just start to soften your skin and fully arrive here. Sit up nice and tall, like your spine is a toothpick and your head a cantaloupe. And find that sweet spot of what? Of balance. And notice when you find it, it really is sweet. That the posture becomes effortless. Yet it feels like the energy can optimally flow. Which is just a fancy way of saying you feel alive but relaxed. And so we're using this analogy this week of the tightrope walker. That this isn't a static walk, that the walker is always adjusting his or herself. And when the walker tilts a little to the right and the fear of falling is very real, he or she doesn't freak out. He or she doesn't over-evaluate how much effort do I need to bring myself back into center, to the right, to the left, whoa, if that processing went on, it would be way too late. But when the fear of falling surfaces, he or she has an automatic action to bring him or her back to center. And this is a surrendered action. No need to double process, triple process, quadruple check. And this is the formula that allows us to regain our center of balance. So may we adopt this in our life. When the fear surfaces, what's your automatic reaction to restabilize and regain your center? And can you trust that you have this capacity at all times? And so we can roll the dice and live wholeheartedly, open to the unknown, allowing life's roller coaster ride to be just that, a wild ride. And so right here, I ask you to consider what is something in your life that is surfacing, that is bringing up fear within you. Where are you leaning a little bit too much to the right or left and getting stuck there, wanting to over-process, over-consider, reevaluate, triple check? And when you hold that fear present right here, right now, what is your first automatic response? Can you trust that? And identify if this automatic response brings you back to your center. We don't need to do anything with the fear or the reasonings, but just recenter and restabilize. And notice how the reasons want to pull you off the, out of your center and off the rope completely. And see if this can just be a dance of feeling the fear falling and restabilizing. Feeling the fear of what could go wrong and finding your center of balance. And let it be a dance. The fear will be there. Surrender that your action is enough. And focus on the centering, the rebalancing. And all of that fear you've identified, all the reasons of maybe what could go wrong, I invite you for the last few minutes to just, or moments, to set that aside and just sit up tall and open your heart, and like you're throwing the dice, everything, yes, that could go wrong, we've leaned into maybe a little too much. But now I invite you to just consider what could go right. And just like we don't want to get too caught up in fear pulling us in either direction, we also don't need to get too caught up in everything that could go right or perfect. Because chances are, it's all a balance of everything. And so even call yourself back from that perfect scenario of everything that could go right. And just come back centered within yourself, balanced on the tightrope of life. No matter what unfolds, surrender automatically, because you have what it takes to come home to yourself, to restore your center, and to live a balanced, fearless life. Bring your hands to your heart space. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Namaste.